Tanzania lies in East Africa near equator. The country has an area of 947,300 square kilometers and is just 20 times larger than Denmark. Population figures in 2008 were 42.5 million, 8 times larger than in Denmark. The country's largest city is Dar es Salaam, is estimated to have about 5 million inhabitants, corresponding to the entire population of Denmark.
Tanzania is a secular country, and Islam and Christianity are about equally widely used. According to a 2014 estimate by the CIA World Factbook, 61.4% of the population was Christian, 35.2% was Muslim, 1.8% practiced traditional African religions, 1.4% were unaffiliated with any religion, and 0.2% follow other religions. Nearly the entire population of Zanzibar is Muslim. The country has also had both Muslim and Christian presidents, and religion generally does not trigger any tension.
Tanzania is one of the poorest countries in the world, according to GDP. Like so many other poor countries in the world, the farming plays a big role of the nation's economy. The farming creates more than 25% of whole Tanzania's GDP. 80% is by the workforce, which is 25.28 million people back in 2014, and it represents more than 85% of the country's export.
Tanzania's landscape is very varied. The country has areas of mountain, savanna, lakes, and coastline with both coral reefs and mangrove forest. Both America's highest mountain, Kilimanjaro, and the largest lake, Lake Victoria, is located in Tanzania. The country has a subtropical climate and 2 rain periods, from March to May and from November to January. The country has a very rich plant and animal life, and it's among other things they are known for is their black rhino. The country has also problems with desertification, soil erosion, and coral reef destruction along the coast. In the city, one facts the challenge of high population density and the ever-increasing amount of contamination. Here live over 70 million species of mammal and more than 500 species of birds. In Serengeti National Park, you can, for example, experience the Big Five, which is the lion, the leopard, the elephant, the rhino, and the bush. The national park's landscape includes of open plains, lakes, and forests. It is an amazingly beautiful area, which has a very close stock of among an animal, which is zebras, goats, elephants, lions, gazelles, and hippos.
After you have experienced the safari, you can go and take a trip to the beautiful Zanzibar, where you can get the ultimate swimming holiday. You can relax on the beach or in the water, where there is a lot of opportunities for diving or snorkeling. You can also go to Stone Town, the island capital, taste the island's spices, explore the rainforest and see the red monkeys, or you can discover the small villages.
The flag was officially introduced in 1964. It is a combination of 2 party flags colors. They are green and black from TANU in Tanganyika, and green, black, and blue from Afro-Shirazi Party on Zanzibar. At the merger of the 2 states in 1964, the colors were combined diagonally because none of them should prevail.
Most of Tanzania is covered by flatland of savanna, which is full of wildlife. In the coastal zone, there are mango forests and swamps. Most of the rivers are small, but they all end out in the three major rivers of Africa, the Nile, Congo, and Zambezi.
More than 100 languages are spoken in Tanzania, making it the most linguistically diverse country in East Africa. Among the languages spoken are all four of Africa's language families: Bantu, Cushitic, Nilotic, and Khoisan.